Violence has broken out in Karnataka's Bellary district late last night after a political dispute spiraled out of control, leaving at least a 26-year-old Congress worker dead. In a swift administrative move, the Karnataka government has suspended Bellary SP Pawan Nejur, citing dereliction of duty in handling the situation, even though the officer had taken charge just a day earlier. The clash erupted outside BJP MLA Janardhan Reddy's residence over flex banners that were put up for a Maharishi Valmiki statue unveiling. What began as a verbal argument there between BJP workers and Congress workers soon escalated into stone pelting, physical clashes and gunfire, forcing police to resort to lathi charge. In fact, Bellary, which is a key mining hub, has long seen intense political rivalry, particularly between Janardhan Reddy and the Congress MLA Nara Bharat Reddy, with tensions now simmering. Police say that violence began around 7 p.m. on Jan 1st after Congress supporters put up banners near Reddy's residence. BJP supporters allegedly tore them down and assaulted the group, triggering retaliation. Several people were injured, including BJP associate Satish Reddy, a private gunman and a police constable. Later, the private gunman allegedly linked to Satish Reddy fired shots in the air as well. One bullet hit the Congress worker Raj Shekhar in the chest. He was declared dead on the way to the hospital. Now, all CCTV visuals have been recovered by the police. They've seized firearms as well. And strict orders of disciplinary action has been given to ensure all riot-like situation is curbed.
I have suspended SP of Bellary district. I do not want to answer BJP people. I have suspended SP Bellary because he was not present in this spot.
I have ordered for an enquiry. In fact, I have also sent the Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order, to visit the spot and see what has happened, and I have ordered for an enquiry and submit the report.
From the beginning, even his father's time, because they don't want peace in Bellary. So when BJP government was the last time when I am minister, the real development has been seen by the public in BJP period only. Now they are not in a position to do even a small work. So the public is totally against them. So they are under frustration. So they are, they choose the criminal way. They want to come in the criminal way. That is.